How to check Instagram version on Android. Ever wondered which version of Instagram you are rocking on your Android device? Knowing your app version can help you stay updated with the latest features and bug fixes. Let's dive into this quick and easy guide to find out your Instagram version. For that, open Settings on your device. Once it opens, scroll down and select Apps. From this section, you need to choose App Management. Scroll down and then locate Instagram app. If you don't find by scrolling, you can select the search icon or the bar at the top of the screen and type in Instagram. Let's open it. This will let you access to your app info page where at the top you will see Instagram. Just underneath the Instagram, you will see version which is 337.0.0.35.102. So now, in this way, you can easily check your Instagram version of Android and keep your app up to date. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.